Today we're taking a look at this blood pressure monitor. It's portable. I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about it and show you how it works. So this is what we're going to get. We get this carrying case right over here. We got the instructions. We got the model right over here. Does all sorts of readings as well. Even has directions on how to place the cuff correctly, which I think is super helpful. So this is the unit itself right over here. It does, you could use 3 batteries, or it does come with a charger right over here. So you just put the charger in here and then put it into a block, or you could put it into a device as well. So you could use, I could charge this with my computer if I had a USB on my computer, or you could just charge it in a typical block. So what you're gonna do here, to get started, we're just gonna take this right over here. We're going to stick it right into there. Once it's connected just like that, you're going to hit the start button. I actually can't do it because Amazon is going to get rid of the video, but it's going to start going. You can kind of hear it going right now, and it's going to start taking the blood pressure. Now, this could also connect to an app via Bluetooth, which is really nice. You'll see it says error because I'm not hooked up. So that's kind of how you know it's working. It will also error out if you're not connected correctly. So you don't have to worry about kind of like getting the wrong reading. But as long as you follow the directions here, it will be easy. You got a really nice big screen here, so you don't have to worry about seeing. You could do, it has the app sync, like I said before. It also has memory. So as soon as you come to it, it could remember what you were last time, which is really, really nice. And you could go back and forth like that. Overall, you have other settings you can mess around with right over here. Literally just take this out of the box. If you want to charge it, or if you want to put batteries, I just put batteries in it real quick. Either way, if you're looking to monitor your blood pressure, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.